Assalamualaikum to everyone. We are Group 5 and today we will present about queuing in 7-Eleven. First, let me introduce our group members, which is me, Haikal, we got Haziq, we got Nabil, we got Amir, and we got Imran. Firstly, for introduction, our 7E is located at number 9 GF Jalan Walagonia 1, Taman University Walagonia, 35,400 Tapah Perak. And the business hours is 24 hours, and business type is food and beverage, and the number of server is 1.
I will be explaining about arrival characteristic. There are 3 characteristics of an arrival. The first characteristic of an arrival is size of calling population. From our observation that we take in 7-Eleven, the population size is infinite, or we call it as unlimited. It means that the number of arrivals at any moment is small compared with waiting for the potential arrivals. The second characteristic of an arrival is the pattern of arrivals at the system, which is our person distribution called lambda. It is 44 customers per hour. Lastly, the behavior of the arrivals axis is patient customer, where all the customers willing to wait in the queue until they are being served. The second characteristic of a queuing system, which is waiting line. The waiting line characteristic consists of 2 parts, which is the length of line, and queue discipline. From our observation that we take in 7-Eleven, the length of the line is infinite, or we call it as unlimited. The number of customers waiting in the line does not significantly affect the rate at which the population generates new customers. Last but not least, the queue discipline in 7-Eleven use first in first out, which is the customer who arrives first obtain the service first, while the last arrival receive the service last. Thank you.
The service facility characteristic in the 7-Eleven. The first one is configuration of service system. The number of channel or server in the 7-Eleven is using a single channel system. This means the 7-Eleven only has one server. Number of faces or station in the 7-Eleven is using single faces system. Next, pattern of service times in the 7-Eleven. Assumption for service time follows the exponential distribution. From our survey, we saw that in the system, there will be 11 customers for every 15 minutes, and the meal that we get is 60 customers. So this is the queuing system in the 7-Eleven. The single channel, single phase system, which is the customer will arrive and then they will queue and wait to be served. After they being served, they will exit the 7-Eleven. This system is one in which the customer receives service from only one station and then exit the system.
7-Eleven has a single counter to serve customers' order. The counter capable of serving one customer in 2 minutes. 25 customers arrived at the 7-Eleven in 1 hour. So from the slide, we can see the S is one server. The lambda is 44 customers. One customers is for 1 minute. 6 customers for 60 minutes. So the meal is 60 customers. The current queuing and service system may lead to potential issues such as increased customer waiting times, inefficient resource utilization, and possible dissatisfaction among customers. To optimize the store's operation and enhance customer experience, a comprehensive analysis and improvement plan are required. Assumptions. First, an infinite calling population. Second, arrive rate follows portion distribution. The queuing system is in normal or stable condition. 4. Unlimited queue length. 5. First come first serve queue discipline. 6. Service rate follows exponential distribution. Limitation time. The 7-Eleven is located at number 9 GF Jalan Walagonia 1st, Taman University Walagonia, 35400 Tapah Perak. The observation time is from 9 PM to 10 PM. The date of the observation is Wednesday and the date is 3rd January 2024.
Question number 5. what is the probability that the 7-Eleven is busy? S equal to 1, lambda equal to 44 customers, and mu equal to 60 customers. So we read at the average server utilization, or P, and then the answer is 0.73. Next, for the question 4, how long will the average time customer spend in the 7-Eleven? So S equal to 1, lambda equal to 44 customers, and mu equal to 16 customers. And then we read at the average time in the system, which is W. The answer is 3.75 minutes per customer. Next, for the question 3, how long will the average time customer have to wait before reaching the cashier? So the answer is S equal to 1, lambda equal to 44 customers, and mu equal to 60 customers. We're using QM for Windows, and then we read the average time in the queue, which is WQ, and then the answer is 2.75 minutes per customer. Next, we go to the calculation and result. For the first question, what is the average number of customers in the queue? To find the answer, S equal to 1, lambda equal to 44 customers, and mu equal to 60 customers. We using QM for window to get the answer. And then we read the answer, average number in the queue, which is LQ equal to 2.02, or 2 customer per hour. Next, for the last question, what is the probability that the 7-Eleven is empty? S equal to 1, lambda equal to 44 customers, and mu equal to 16 customers. We need to use 1 minus P, which is 1 minus average server utilization, 0.73, and then we get 0.27 for the probability that the 7-Eleven is empty. For the next question, question number 2, what is the average number of customers in the 7-Eleven? S equal to 1, lambda equal to 44 customers, and mu equal to 60 customers. And then we go to the average number in the system, which is L, and then the answer is 2.75, or we round up to 3 customers per hour.
Conclusion part, does the server provider educate? Yes, because customer only have to wait for 2.75 minutes to be served. Secondly, are the customer happy with the queuing system? They are happy since they just have to wait 2.75 minutes. However, it would be better if they increase the amount of server to reduce service time. That's all from us. Thank you.